Hi guys, I wanted to show you a little bit of a tip that I picked up. So I bought a new helmet, and this visor is absolutely rubbish for steaming up. It's the AGV-K1, so I'll put a little review up once I've used it a while. So far, seems okay, but give them a couple of weeks to bed in. So, if you want to stop that, simple little trick: shaving foam. Other things do work apparently, but I've only ever used shaving foam and it works well. So let me just put this down. So I've just done this, but I didn't record it very well. So a bit of shaving foam, get it on there, don't be too tight. Obviously make a big fucking mess. You don't have to leave it to sit or anything like that, just wipe it off. I'll have to go get another microfiber to tidy it up properly. Put it back on the helmet because it's a bit easier to wipe the stuff off. Right, there we go. So on the outside, you can see where I have that. You can see pretty clearly where I've put the shaving foam on the inside. Loads better. There you go, top tip. If you like that one, please subscribe, there's loads more to come, and if you want me to put anything else up, stick it in the comments. Thanks guys.